Today we will see about how to create Linux virtual machine in Azure portal. This is my Azure portal. Click on virtual machines, add virtual machines. Here resources is there. My already some resources is there. Mine is Sampath. If you want to create new resources also, you can create name, create new virtual machine name. Yes, Linux 1. Then region is Southeast Asia. Then allowability options is allowability zone. I'm taking as third zone. You can take anything. This is Ubuntu. Linux is Ubuntu server 18.04. Then size is by default is 1 CPU, 3.5 GB RAM. I'm taking by default only. Here authentication type is where I am taking as password. Password you have to give. Confirming password. Then select inbound and outbound ports. HTTP port number is 18. SSH port number is 22. Then next. We don't want to change anything. We are already when it is also. Then next. Networking we don't change anything. Next. Management also we don't change anything. Next. Advanced. Next. Next. Create. It will take some time. It will take 3 to 4 minutes. If you want to check this Linux system, we need another software like Putty or mobaxterm. Now I'm using mobaxterm. This one is mobaxterm. Before that, it want to install. It's installing now. Linux virtual machine is installed. Linux virtual machine is created. Go to the resources. Here public IP address is that one you have to copy. You have to open mobaxterm. Click on session. Click on SSH. Here remote host. We are giving IP address. What we copied in Azure portal public IP address specific name. Yes, my name. Whatever you created, that name only you have to give. And OK. Now they will ask password. We enter the password. You want to say password? I don't want. Then first thing is sudo space su. Sudo su. Enter. Now I'm clearing everything. So I cleared everything. Then we have to install Apache software. Once Apache software will install, then we will get the output. So for that one, apt -get I'm updating it. apt space install space Apache 2 space -y. Enter. If you give -y, then it will automatically take. Now it's Apache is installing. %. Yeah, Apache is installed. So in which drive you want to store? cd space /var /www/html. Enter pwd. Enter ls. Enter rm. space hyphen f space index dot html, enter. Nano space index dot html, enter. Now we have to give html command code. So here example simple html file, html, enter. If you have already any scripted thing means you can give copy and paste also. I don't have anything. Sampath Azure classes html, full one is slash html. So here I created something just like exam. Welcome to Sampath Azure classes. Then control X, Y, enter. Now it is now system want to run. System ctl space start space apache 2, enter. System ctl space enable space apache 2, enter. Now you can see the output in your browser. So go to the any browser. Now here is our Linux version. Just copying this public IP address and I'm opening new web page. I'm pasting this address. Now see here. Welcome to Sampath Azure classes. You can search anywhere, not only in this remote only. You can search anywhere, any browser, any mobile you can search. Now this is how to create Linux virtual machine in Azure portal. If you have any doubts, comment below. Now I'm ending the session.